Hey guys, has waking up late hampered your grooming goals? It happens with me all the time. And मेरे ख्याल से ये बहुत लोगों के साथ होता है. But not anymore. With the products of this amazing brand, Human Touch, it is easier for me to look good and feel fresh instantly. I literally love this charcoal face wash, especially made to suit a man's skin. They have a variety of men's beard grooming items like beard wash, beard fragrance oil, which helps me keep my beard look neat, clean, and hot. Last but not the least, hairstyle set करना is like a trouble for every guy. I'm sure बहुत सारे लड़के relate कर पा रहे होंगे. Well, not now. With this hair wax, you can set whatever hairdo you wish easily. So when it comes to grooming, I recommend Human Touch.